Hey guys, we have lots of information pulled in this video. Before starting, just pause this video and let's support this channel by hitting that subscribe button to proceed. We need very few more subscribers to hit the 1000 mark. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Let's find the overview. The SR5015, SR6015, SR7015, and SR8015. Designed to deliver impactful and nuanced home cinema and listening experiences, the 8K-ready AV receiver line offers the most musical sound from any source, including home theater, vinyl and streaming media. Like all Marantz products, the 2020 SR series AVRs are extensively tuned by world-renowned acousticians at state-of-the-art facilities, producing Marantz's unique audiophile quality sound. This, paired with the AV industry's latest array of technologies, enables more immersion, visual beauty and detailed power than ever before. When Marantz introduced the SR8015 at the 2017 CEDIA Expo, I had high hopes that they were serious about making a top-notch AV receiver with a media amp section again, and I wasn't disappointed. All the new 2020 SR series models have expanded capabilities, so they are now ready for 8K input sources and feature the latest Hdmi technologies, including variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode. In addition, there's support across the new models for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X object-based surround sound formats, along with Dolby Atmos high virtualization technology and DTS VirtualX. These add virtual height channels which can create the sense of extra immersion without needing height channel hardware. Moving up through the models sees the addition of support for IMAX Enhanced, Auro 3D and DTS:X Pro out of the box. The build quality is top-notch, as can be seen with the large-door audio power supply, and dual heat sinks with monolithic amp construction and premium-grade parts throughout the chassis. It has plenty of power to drive all but the most difficult speakers in the largest of rooms. In those cases, you could always make use of the pristine pre-outs to power up to external amplification. From the numbers, we're seeing this again with the 2020 SR series. All the models have performance amplification featuring high-current discrete power amplifiers on all channels and should deliver Marantz's signature power output. The new SR series uses Marantz Hyperdynamic Amplification Module, HDAM, circuitry which, according to Marantz, provide optimal fidelity and maximum dynamic range of high-resolution files for stellar sound quality. With low-impedance driver capability, the SR series offers operational stability with a wide range of speakers, providing the clarity and balance users have come to expect from Marantz. Setup. The SR series features HDMI auto input renamed for when sources such as a PS4, or upcoming PS5, or Apple TV are plugged in, so manual renaming of an input is not required, and HDMI multiple input assign allows users to listen to multiple audio sources while maintaining the same video content on screen. And if all these options sound daunting, Marantz includes a setup assistant which provides step-by-step instructions, including the Odyssey room calibration process to make getting up and running a breeze. HDMI and video enhancements. Representing the top quartet of Marantz's SR offerings, each new receiver houses high-current discrete power amps on all channels with fidelity authored by Marantz's proprietary Hyperdynamic Amplification Module, HDAM, circuitry. Additional cross-model similarities include 8K-friendly video tech, a minimum of 6 HDMI inputs, Atmos and DTS:X immersive sound processing, broad-spectrum high-res audio support, HEIS built-in, room-tested certification, onboard access to top-shelf music streaming services, and phono compatibility. The new Marantz SR series AV receivers take advantage of the latest HDMI technologies thanks to a dedicated 8K HDMI input enabling 8K/60 Hz and 4K/120 Hz video pass-through. New HDR format support including HDR10+ and Dynamic HDR, and a new HDMI feature called Quick Media Switching, QMS, which allows a source to instantly switch frame rate to eliminate screen blackout. For exceptional color, clarity and contrast, the latest SR series models still support HDR10, HLG, hybrid log gamma, and Dolby Vision, as well as 4:4:4 pure color subsampling and BT.2020 pass-through. Several new features give gamers an edge, including razor-sharp motion clarity with 4K/120 Hz pass-through and variable refresh rate, VRR, to reduce frame tearing and improve overall precision. Get a jump on the competition with auto low latency mode, ALLM, and quick frame transport, QFT, each designed to reduce lag and improve stats. See the enemy before they see you with stunning 8K picture quality. The Marantz SR series can also upscale existing HD and 4K content to 8K so more people can experience the power of 8K resolution. They also continue to support eARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, which allows lossless and object-based audio transmission like DTS:X and Dolby Atmos from DV apps or connected devices using a single HDMI cable. For advanced multi-channel home theater applications, the flagship SR8015 supports DTS:X Pro, which will allow you to enjoy up to 13 channels of DTS:X decoding with speaker configurations such as 7.2.6 or 9.2.4. In addition, the SR8015 can decode the latest in IMAX enhanced films in 7.2.6 or 9.2.4 speaker configurations thanks to newly adopted 13.2 channel processing capabilities with external amplification. The DTS:X Pro feature will be delivered via firmware update later this year. The 2020 SR series features several other 3D audio formats, including Dolby Atmos High Virtualization Technology, DTS:X, DTS Virtual X, IMAX Enhanced and Aura 3D out-of-box. The new 2020 SR series AV receivers represent the next major step forward in home theater, not just for Marantz, but the entire home entertainment industry. Marantz fans will be some of the first to experience new levels of incredibly sharp image quality, remarkably fast gaming and immersive surround sound. But more importantly, superior Marantz DAM-SA3 amplification based on decades of extensive tuning transports the listener ever closer to their music. Next generation HDMI technologies. The latest HDMI technologies are employed across the SR series, and a dedicated 8K HDMI input enables 8K/60 Hz and 4K/120 Hz video pass-through, plus there's newly implemented support for the HDR10 Plus dynamic metadata HDR format, and quick media switching, which allows a source to instantly switch frame rate to eliminate screen blackout. Of course, the SR models all still support HDR10, HLG, Hybrid Log Gamma, and Dolby Vision, as well as 4:4:4 pure color subsampling and BT.2020 pass-through. Upscaling of HD and 4K content will enable greater access to the 8K experience for those with compatible 8K TVs, and the transfer of lossless and object-based audio such as Dolby Atmos and DTS:X from DV apps or connected devices continues to be supported via eARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel. Finally, gamers will appreciate the advanced HDMI features such as Variable Refresh Rate, VRR, which reduces frame tearing, and Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM, and Quick Frame Transport, QFT, each designed to reduce lag and improve the overall experience. Pre-Amplifier Mode. It looks as though Sound United is adding Pre-Amplifier Mode to all their newest receivers, which provides a clear signal path and more tolerance in clipping levels by disconnecting internal amplifiers when the receiver is used as an AV processor and all speakers are powered by external amplifiers. After years of testing and measuring AV receiver performance, Gene determined the reason why the preamp outputs on most receivers showed high distortion in an FFT plot when driven above 1.2 VRMS. The unloaded amplifiers were being driven into clipping, causing distortion to be feedback into the signal chain. This can be seen most recently in our measurements of the Marantz SR8012 as well as many other brands and models we've reviewed over the years. We pleaded with AV receiver manufacturers to offer a preamp mode that physically disconnects the signal path to the amplifiers for those wanting to use their receivers as a dedicated preamp by connecting external amplification. If listeners want to tap into separate power sources, the latest Marantz SR series now support Pre-Amplifier Mode on the SR6015, SR7015 and SR8015 models. Pre-Amplifier Mode provides a clear signal path and more tolerance in clipping levels by disconnecting internal amplifiers when the receiver is used as an AV processor and all speakers are powered by external amplifiers. Like the new lineup of DAN and AV receivers, the new Marantz SR series will come with HAS built-in, which allows for listening anywhere in the home. The 2020 SR series can decode up to 24-bit/192 kHz ALAC, FLAC and wave lossless files as well as DSD 2.8 MHz and 5.6 MHz tracks, allowing you to experience high-quality content from services like Spotify, Amazon Music HD, Tidal, TuneIn Internet Radio and more. Marantz SR series AVRs are also Roon tested certified, so you can get more out of their music libraries through the advanced Roon music interface on their PCs and smart devices. Marantz Roon tested AVRs can be found and set up easily by Roon via AirPlay 2 or hardwired into a Roon Core device. Each receiver features a front panel USB port that offers convenient audio playback of MP3 and high-resolution audio formats, WAV, FLAC, ALAC and DSD 2.8/5.6 MHz files. HEIS built-in, Roon and high-res support. The HEIS built-in system allows connectivity with any other HEIS-compatible hardware around the house, allowing for a multi-room or whole-home audio experience. The SR series can handle playback of MP3 and high-res audio files up to 24-bit/192 kHz, and in a variety of formats including WAV, FLAC, ALAC and DSD 2.8/5.6 MHz files. Access to music is possible from services like Spotify, Amazon Music HD, Tidal, TuneIn Internet Radio and more, and users can also play songs stored on smart devices or personal media servers. Since each SR AVR is Roon tested certified, listeners can get more out of their music libraries through the advanced Roon music interface on their PCs and smart devices, and setup is easily enabled via AirPlay 2 or by hardwiring into a Roon core device. Odyssey Room Calibration. Also like the new Denon receivers, the new SR series from Marantz will come with a variety of Odyssey Room calibration components. Odyssey Multi-QXD on the SR5015 and Multi-QXD32 on the SR6015, SR7015 and SR8015 models all come with a supplied measurement microphone that allows Odyssey to analyze each speaker's output, including subwoofers, at up to 8 measurement locations and generates precision digital filters to optimize each channel for the correct frequency and time domain response. Odyssey Dynamic Volume also smooths out disruptive jumps in volume, such as TV commercials, letting listeners enjoy lower output levels while still enjoying clear dialogue and overall performance. The Odyssey Dynamic EQ provides full range clarity at any listening level. Odyssey Multi-QXD32 is adding low-frequency containment using advanced psychoacoustic algorithms to deliver more full-range balance, including deep bass, without disturbing neighbors or people in other rooms of the home. Odyssey Sub-EQ Height provides individual DSP tailoring of each subwoofer in a dual subwoofer setup for deeper bass with improved definition. Plus, the optional Odyssey Multi-EQ Editor app available for purchase at the App Store, where you can view and adjust settings for detailed tuning. Advanced Custom Installation Support. Designed with custom integrators in mind, the new SR series AVRs boast the latest remote monitoring and management capabilities via Domotes Pro and AVRC, as well as RS-232C and IP control capabilities. Web user interface is also supported, providing access to the AV receiver's setup menu remotely or from a computer on the same network. These programs allow integrators to monitor the status of connected products and troubleshoot remotely from a separate location or on the go. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.